Only two. No. What the hell you made? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Interesting day. Gonna be funny. Already it moved like crazy. They taken out Monday's high, yesterday's high. Now we are waiting, 1 minute left. So I'm gonna trade with Apex and Top Step as well. So I already made some money on the Apex, but I mean there is not significant amount, so there's no point of showing it. So yeah, I'm like it became technically bullish. Okay, everything like they taken out Monday's high. Now the previous week high is the left. Okay, so today I missed it actually. Everything, the analysis I'll tell you a little bit later. Now you just watch 1 minute chart, nothing else to do. Let me quickly eat something, then we'll see. So market open. If they give me a retracement back, I don't think they will give it. So let's see if they can give us around this area something. I don't know. 9:30 open. Bang bang. They can just go high. If they come down, I would be happy. But actually, the idea is to take previous week high. Now I don't know what to do because they already moved like tremendous amount from here to there. A lot of things, I have to see a retracement inside because now it could be problematic because a whole day big amount of move. So after CPI news, look, this was the first gap they created. So just keeping it as a 1 minute gap. Okay, 1 minute FVG. So now watch it. If they retrace, it would be nicer, but I don't see any kind of retracement can be possible. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. If they give us, it would be lovely. Then we'll trade back again because they've taken out the weekly current week high. So now the question is they need to give us a retracement back so that we can enter. If they don't have no retracement, I don't know how to trade from here. Okay, here, come. Big retracement. Shall I buy it from here? I don't know. Let's see how they react. There will be lots of chance to do anything. Okay, let's see how they go down. Tiny bit down to previous day high maybe, or let's see how they react to 8:30 price. They've taken out data high, data low is there, but I don't think they will take data low today. These are the area. I mean, like a quick buy is not a good idea. It can toast us. So they've taken out this low. The next candle, let's see how they react. Are they coming to previous day high? Let's see if they can take out this low. Or they don't need to. From here as well, they can be bullish. They've taken out some kind of this liquidity. There is a little gap here. But I would prefer them to go down. But if they go down, what are they going to create? Are they going to create a gap here, 15 minutes gap? Or they're going to come and rebalance it? I would say let them make a 15 minutes gap and then they trade that gap and then we look for buy. There will be opportunities. Okay. So look for it. I'm looking for it. So this is the 8:30 price. They've gone down 200 points and then they slowly came back, grinded. So now they've taken out this low as well. Perfect. Loved it. So this is the area. Now what they're gonna do? We don't know, do we? So let me watch other things as well. Let's see 1 hour what they're doing. Yeah, they have to make a gap or a rebalance. I don't think they'll be rebalancing. ES didn't take out yesterday's high, so they got left. So any kind of buying opportunity, this is previous day high. From this area as well, it can do it. So let's see, but we need a confirmation. At least lower. This is a buy. I could actually do it. Let's say if I do it, what's gonna happen? Let me see. If I took this one, well, because the new week opening gap as well, they can come and test it. How much you can put stop loss? 20 points. Look, already 1-to-1 easy target. High, previous week high. This kind of trade we have to take. But oh shit, what happened? Let's go back. So this is become a fast presented gap is this one, and then this is the one people will take it, but I like to think about that one as well. But this one is not mature. This is just a showing off, just checking. They can come to today's what is it called, weekly opening price, but 1-to-1 finish. I'm just checking if it's working or not. Okay, this is not a trade. This is the one. There are lots of people enter from here, but these are the areas all. From there it can bounce back if you are bullish. I hope they create a 15 minutes gap, 1 hour gap, then I mean we can find something. Because all the data is positive, so good news can be bad news as well. So that's why this trade is actually, look, so now they came to the first gap they created, they taken out this low, and now is interesting. Actually the trade should be from this low and then the, you know, whatever it is. So this is the first gap they created after 8:30 price open. Let's see. These are the one. They're gonna come to, I think, new week opening gap. They will go down maybe for a while, and then maybe, I don't know. But this gap we are watching. Okay, this gap. This is the first gap they created after the 8:30. So they came down quite a lot. Now they tested. If they close on the top of the, are they gonna buy it? I am not sure. 70, 93. Look, already 30 points up from that area. Do you understand? So these are the things. 1-to-1, 8:30 regaining. Let's see if they can regain. They didn't regain in the fast go. So now the second time they're coming down. So what they're gonna do? Yes, this is like a crazy. They should go to the fast present gap maybe now. Let's see how they trade. Yeah. So this one, look, see. So now they're taken out this high. Can they trade this gap? They're coming here. I think this is look at the beauty of this. How many points already is running? 50 points. So why not you're gonna take this kind of trade, like risking 15, 16 points, you know? So now we don't know. They reach to the fast presented gap. Let's see, now we need further evidence. Can they close on the top of that? That's the question. I think they're doing it. So if they do it, what I'm gonna do? Do I want to trade from there? No. If they retrace back, maybe I'll try. But the problem is that, yeah, so this one is became an order block. Now, are they gonna come here and create a gap here? Let's see. Because I don't like to trade around 37, 35 like this, but this can just run. ES left the high, so that's why NQ can be a I don't know. So, but this gap we have to observe as well. This area we want them to create a gap, and then they should hold it. Simple as that. I'm not gonna trade from there lots of time, you know, because they taken out liquidity, they traded this fast present gap. Better to trade if they create a gap from there. If they create continuation, just bang, buy it. So the next candle when they're falling down as well, we can buy it. Stop loss will be there. I'm trying, but it can. So now they again retracing down, because they can retrace. Look, now this one. Question is that will they hold it? If they hold here, that means this will be a continuation. So they tested this order block. Now question is, can they hold this gap? That's the only thing. If they close now, this will be a protected swing. But the question is that, are they gonna run? So what about this gap? This gap will be a breakaway gap, 15 minutes breakaway gap. We don't know. Oh, this is 1 hour. Shit. So 15 minutes already inverting. They came there. Or they're gonna do more of this area, because they taken out weekly high, I think is I would be bullish. Now is looks ugly. So this low, if they take out somehow, then we have to look for further evidence. Now they close there. Only trade will be, better trade will be when they close on the top of that. This is just like a retracement kind of trade. I just put it to like get some confidence, okay, nothing else. So now what they're doing, they came down to trade again previous day low. Sorry, previous day high. So previous day high, let's see how they behave. They didn't respect it. This low taking it, that means this trade finito. But this trade already given us how much, how many points? If you would have taken that one from the first presented gap, 75 points. Still not happy? Then do something else. Trading is not. Except now the question is, if you want to sell it, will you sell it from here? Do I want to? I don't think so. So they taken out this low. Let's see if they can create a continuation here. Previous day high, they didn't close it yet. Now they traded that gap. If you wanted to see lower price, you could have just sell it from there as well. So this trade gone. They will stop me out now. But this one, I mean, it's already actually achieved. Now I have to look for, this is the new week opening gap, okay? Okay, this one gone, there is no point of keeping this one, okay? So, but you know the idea, okay? So we already had our money. So now I'm just waiting for a continuation to buy, nothing else to do. I don't have no other idea. So now they came back to new week opening gaps. This is the area as well, it can easily can go back. Now if they close here, now no way I should not buy it, but the problem is that how big the stop loss will be. I'll trade with small, maybe one something. Better to trade a little bit later. Let it set up or something that they want to do, let them do it, then we'll see. $41 now. Weekly price traded. Let's see if they can regain here. Next few minutes, if they have to be bullish, they have to go up. I mean, they cannot be here anymore. Because if they have to close down around this area to be bullish back again. Or maybe even close, I don't know. Today I have to trade with caution. So 15 minutes, they inverted. Now they regain again previous day high. So what are you expecting from here? Oi, 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 oi. What are you expecting from here? Higher price? Doesn't it look like a higher price to you? But they have to be quick, fast. Stayed fast. Didn't go. They have to go fast and furious. If they don't go, means they're not gonna be doing nothing. Okay? And they have to close on the top of this gap with a fast and furious mode. They didn't do it, so no. This one should have like gone if they had to do anything, but still there is a chance because they regain previous day high price back again. Okay? So let's see how they react from this kind of area. So now this high is a watching point. Are they gonna dig down more? Looks like it, So they can even close down on the top of this. Whole life stop. 1 hour, what they said, 1 hour gap still there, tiny bit gap. So, but another 15 minutes candle is there. So if I want to see higher price, I would love to see this one, they create a gap here. Okay? So this is the only thing I can think. If they have to go up, they So 15 minutes. This is the area they should have closed on the top of it. Let's see how they react. Such a things going to this one. Let me see. You watch it 1 minute and this kind of things, you know my idea. My idea is to go higher, but if they give any opportunity, if they go down, we'll just watch it. These are the areas it could be the turning point. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna be bullish. The best way will be bullish will be if they close on the top of that. Rather than that, is already next 15 minutes candle is opening. The question is the next 15 minutes candle will it go down, or they're gonna, that one will be like a bullish candle. That's the question. Okay, so I'm observing as well like you, but I need to eat something, so you better watch here, and in the meantime I finish my food. I'm watching as well like you. ES didn't take out yesterday's high. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking. What is their plan? ES didn't take out, is they're just consolidating. So the question is, will ES come back again to dig inside this fair value gap? There is a daily fair value gap. They can come down as well. Then later on, maybe tomorrow, day after, I don't know. Are they gonna be bullish? So look, they're trying to close. Very interesting. So this one, what they created now, these are, they inverted this gap. Okay, this 15 minutes gap. So I'm watching that one as well. They closed down under 830. Now whatever they do, we just watching. Okay, so nothing, I'm not doing anything, so just I'm eating, then I'll talk to you again. কানকির পোলার চোখ মনে করুন নোটে পোলার মাগির পোলার নোটে পোলার ফকিরের
10 a.m.
Fucking বাচ্চা shitty food. Holy hell, all this time I was talking with my mic muted. Can you believe it? Such a dramatic moment. I mean, like, I don't know what I did, but I'm sure that you didn't hear me nothing. Anyways, the market is just in the same place what was expected after the news. I'm trying trade here, there, I'm just checking like what's going on, because this is just in the same area. Look, chiki 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 chiki. They don't know where to go because they're confusing that data. I mean, altogether, look at this. So they're taking this high, they're retracing back again. There is a gap here. Let's see if they do anything around 830 backing, or they're gonna go down here. I don't know. This is my idea. If I have to take a buy or something from this area, I'll try to do it, but I don't know if I can. Or they're gonna just completely bamboozle us. This is the last area. If they go down now, then I think we should run away. Only things I can think of, like look, this 1 hour came back to trade this gap, and then there is no follow through. That's the main problem. They shouldn't have stopped here. They should have just gone, closed down on the top of this one, because this is the order block. I don't know. It's not like a perfect order block, truly speaking. Now it can be a continuation if they could close here, but they don't have no power. Very sad. Very sad. They have to go through fast today. Like, I don't know what to do. So sad today. No, market was supposed to move like hell, but they didn't do it. So now they're again going down. So what are you expecting? I don't know. This one shouldn't have come down here anymore. They could have created. Now it look like it's gonna go down back again. I don't know. It's like consolidation. Okay, there's nothing else. 30. This is the time it will either go up or down. Recently they've been creating all this problem, Oh Lord. Look like the market gone bonkers. What happened to it? Are you still alive? What the hell was that? So traded this, I mean, like, crazy, isn't it? Do you want to trade this market? What the hell it did? I don't even know. It's like a flash. So flashed it again. Now what are you gonna do? Are you happy with that flash? Now at least go up. You've taken out everybody, whoever taken trades. What do you want to do now? You want to further go down? It's like a proper, like this kind of spike only happen in crypto. Not in like a financial asset like Nasdaq. I'm like, it's shocking, very shocking. Such a shame. Crypto trade like that, like give a spike and go bang again, like crazy. This market became really shit. There is no follow through. Look, they came back, they traded new week opening gap, they given you market structure shift, created gaps, what are they doing? Nothing respect. Now they've given this one, it just made the whole idea of bullishness gone. You understand? Like, I don't know how to trade this market. It's like very stupid market right now. It's like, just look at this after the market opened. Fell, dropped there and sitting down and gyrating. Come, take out this low, now it's going high again. I mean, like, what do you want to do? Sell it back? And then as soon as you sell it, they'll go on the top of this one. 15 minutes. Only one thing is that one hour, that one just holding. Okay. Look, this one closed. They taken out to take out this low. What is their plan? So they're still holding this one. They're telling us don't trade. And when you are not trading, then they will just take the market up. So they now taken out this low. So anything, order block, whatever it is, nothing working. Okay, so they created a gap under 830. So this is the area people can sell it, but the problem will be as soon as you sell it, they will they'll toast you. Buy, sell, nothing gonna work. It's just spiked. Look at the spike. If you have a stop loss down there, it will just clear it, and that's it. Crypto. This one gone anyways. There is nothing to say. I really don't know what to say. Crazy. Never seen. And no follow through. So if you have to fall, just fall, man, for a while, and cannot go through. Listen, again it stopped. I mean, if you wanna go, man. So this hour, another 35 minutes left. I don't know what is their plan is. So anyways, we did with our top step little bit of trading, but nothing steady. You saw that I kept one to have good faith. Just better was like just to take out. I mean, trading is not working. Better you take a trade as soon as you get your money, just run away, because this market is like absolutely rubbish. What are they doing? It's just like consolidation, nothing else. They're no move, and all of a sudden spike like a crypto. So just gyrating, nothing else they're doing. Look at it, up, down. That's it. Anyways, I mean, I think there will be a big move in the evening. Looks like it. There is I think a very good news around. What is it called? I think there is a news around. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. 10 years note yield will be. I mean, like there will be auction of 10 years. 10-year treasury auction. So I mean, that could indicate where the market could go, because this one, maybe they will wait for that, I don't know, and they're waiting for news. Okay, so I mean, I don't know what to say. Like we already shown some good trade in I mean, good trade, I'm saying, like bought it from the down and then sold it in the top. That's what we did, and then we had profit. But to me, if you ask me, I would try to go up, because if I would like to buy it, it would be better. But this is the area, there will be lots of things will happen, because if this one, I mean, look at the daily, how they are. I mean, do you believe they're falling from this kind of area? They can. But the thing is that if they have to fall, yesterday what I was saying, like if they went down Friday's low, there would be ugly candles. So yesterday, look, they came here. Remember, I marked two lines. These two lines, they came down and then taken out one of the 1 hour low. If you check it, like let me show you. Look here. So this low was taken. So then they just reverse back to take out all this yesterday's high, today's high. Sorry, yesterday's high, the previous day's high. So weekly high taken, sorry, no, weekly high is there, Monday weekly high, previous week high is there. So this week high already taken. Okay, then they retrace back to new week opening. Where are they right now? So this is Monday opening. They were there, they came down, traded, they went up, and then they came down to get support. What they gonna do? They're gonna fall from here? They can do that. They can fall, but then they will take out this low. Otherwise, they can just bang, 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 continuously go up. That's what I can think. Selling, like after this kind of situation, I don't know how they're gonna sell. Okay, so they again closed down on the top of 830. Then they created more gaps. What do you think this time they're gonna get support from 830? Do you think so? If you think so, buy them. If you think, I don't know, man. This is crazy, man. Seriously, like if you do anything today, it will be a lost project. They cannot go high, they cannot go down. That's the problem. Problem is that they have both side trading. Okay, I really don't know. If as soon as you buy it, it will fall. So do you have any conviction? I don't know. I would say just leave it and then come back in the evening. I would say, because they had such a move. They're trying to trap the people. No, trap it. This is just trapping people. Nothing else. I cannot see anything else good will come out from this. Just like little trade, you can take it and come out on the other side. Other than that, I really don't know what to say. This is absolutely not good price action. Okay, so be safe, my friend. All my friend, be safe, and then hope to see you tomorrow again. Okay, or talk to you tomorrow again. I mean, I'll try. I'll trade whole day, because today is my day to either go this side or that side. Okay, so because the market should move today, there will be move, but how they're trading right now is like ups and down both sides, 50-50. So they can from here easily fall down as well. So be careful, and I hope I'll be safe as well, and I can keep my account today maybe, and then come back another day when the market condition will change. So this is absolutely, look at this spike. They did it like, I cannot take it. You have a nice time. I'll talk to you again later. Okay, bye bye.